and the malam for na be she suit abeyasofo, then there is nothing wrong. Because or your comfort or your comfort na adena or ya, then we shouldn't talk about it. But because we know say and you're right, and the gospel is here, there's so many high any tracker. So people say we binuma be she quota or me abusumwa or we sing. So then it makes me think, because beloved, the reason why God gave you brain is for you to use it and analyze and critique certain things. If so be a baye bosom na you okay now what done no say baye nyamedwuma no ase sit a good coat ni so why? Because people are not going there anymore. That is the point, because they know say they've tried it and it's not helping them. I'll come to that. Then the next thing is very important for us. And it's about a net topic about Bekasafamu. Diabo is the most destructive weapon. And I will talk about it from several angles. For the past 2 weeks, I've been talking about curses. La Okoshe videos now I've talked about curses. I've talked about generational curses. And then now we want to look at how curses is very destructive. And into the diabo is dangerous. If I have my way, I will tell everybody on this platform, say, Emodiada. Don't. Emodiada. And I will tell you why. There are fake prophets around. They don't have your interest at heart. That is the truth. They don't care. They may be prophets, apostles, teachers. They don't have your interest at heart. So you must be vigilant. And I always say the Bible says in 1 John that we should test all spirit. How you can test it is you must investigate it. Hey, investigate the spirit that is in the person. And so you can watch it. You're welcome. Vim Powerhouse, Vim Lady, you're welcome. God bless you. Beloved, are you with me? So the point I am saying is fake prophets who are around. So you have to be careful whom you have decided on your prophet. Because Obimuha or your prophet, some are your prophets, or your prophet or your prophet. So be careful. A biosun idea yemi who a direction. Hey, and then my can be on direction be also for the man. So I see Yankopon say, we will soon smooth yase. God told me that get this oil, get this handkerchief, get this orange, get this apple, get this water, go and do this with it. It's evil. Yankopon ka arrange. Who now say what bompire we? Who GD A1 can sister? Oko we and can never boa. Who can say I'm but o catch them in Yankopon and the decided my why. Beloved, let me make it clear. There is nothing called spiritual direction in Christianity. In other things you can find it. But Christos somebody there. E wo homra wo. It will Yakopons was say, one man asem swatchen ho. Intino, one asem ye bakope. In the beginning was the word, and the word was with God, and the word was God. That is why he wants you to test the spirit. So on my idea, they test the spirit that we can't. So we test the spirit by the word of God, and the spirit of God inside of us. And it so be catching so Yankopon say, on your oil blue, green, red, yellow. I am telling you, say, run away from those things. It is something, it's a scheme, something that they use to enslave you, beloved. It has its source. There is no power, anything that is more powerful than the name Jesus. It was the oil that the mouth say a source of protection is divination. And it can bring you a level of protection because we know say there are other powers whom the people also consult. Don't joke with that. There are powers around. Don't joke with it. Whether you believe it or not, there are certain things. Are there evidence? No. You don't joke with it. There are powers around. There are supernatural powers beyond the thinking of the mind or the brain or what we see or the five senses. All right. So it's very critical. And you must be careful. Or software sema or catcher. Jai. Wow. Who does it? Or software say kotoko suya crate 24 eggs never ko tena baby na oba besia on krake kosua no obɔ kosua no wi a on wɔ no ho na on tena kosua ni mu a na wo benya kunu a ɛyɛ nsɛm fun na wɔka kyerɛ no onyame fa sansoma no onyame nsoma no okay abujafo now duabo asɛm a mafiri ase ka for the past 2 weeks very serious and na me bɛbɔ tapes bi asɔfo ebodua asɔre ma ebodua asɔre asafo mpanifo ebodua wɔn nkwa asɔre so ebodua. What is happening to us as people? And ne di duabo as ya yeti aburo kyire de woyɛ obi bɛbɔ dua sisi ɛ na yɛ bɔ dua bɛnya wana as enyam ɛnɛ de me bɛka nsɛm kakra wo na mɛbɔ nneɛma bi akyerɛ wo sɛ asɔfo bodua maka me bɔ obi last week asɔfo bodua asafo mabodua obi abodua and the duabo yɛ sɛ you are invoking a higher spirit or a demonic entity, or you are invoking evil spirit. So you are appealing to a deity. So that is what you do about here. One kasa untimi ye. It won't now call down nipa and say, oh, nipa we are DB and family. Beloved, is very critical. Near Buddha on the basis say we are offended, and at the end of the day, we are in pain. And the many pabudia. It is a bodua, a dane, and a beloved, a dangerous and a destructive weapon. We will talk about it. And the people say, if you are bo, oh, a yasophobia, if you are bo, I will say, a for, and then me babe bobiacho, na me na yetimi, and what is happening, because very, very critical. So let me play some few takes for you to see. Now, at the end of the day, we all look into it. Now, say me share last week, and I want you to see this for yourself. I want you to see this for yourself. Oh, I didn't. Hey, na, I did on one pan and idea. Oh, yeah, you see. Oh. I don't see why it's not playing in a very nice way. Okay, okay, I don't see why it's doing this, but let me try it again, because I was seeing a full view in it. Oh, okay, let me try. Okay, let me go back and properly. I before now. Okay, my mini kind embo brother Samidi and I'm saying born last time the tea because we are na my bo so for back we saw the name for my bubia and my bubia chow we are na makasa fa ho na ven me tu. So eti brother Samuel no o say obi ese wanya accident am obi si wanya accident enti say wono wo so wanya accident obi si wanya accident a ogina ne worship a oye de ko Nyankopon wanim ne se nipa no onyini nche obodidua onyini nche o twa nipa kronkwan na so. Beloved, these are serious talks that we don't have to joke with it. A serious say ojina ne worshiper all yeso ede ma Onyankopon say nipa kro no onyini nche. People, these are dangerous, these are serious. o nyini nche okay ye hwe ye hwe o nyini nche be bo we na msa be bo bi mi wi na me de foforo ato awo so na ama wo su agu
the wardrobe, I need to could dear, and I never yet to. And when you come to and I brother, and in Guasia, and I would them and now. Someone online, and no me a candy woman, I know.
Oh my God.
And it was a phone, I wouldn't back into a man camp. Now, Pierre, call me a friend, call me a friend, call me a friend, call me a friend, call me Lappy. I want this out, yes, yeah. My call me Lappy is triple that can one thing. I want to want it. Not depending on who to say. Not depending on your cow on crop.
Jafaka ki tu obinti ehwe nto aso.
The number so make you man page koduye. We are so tia come your friend so come on. We be clean na be ba for them. We be biaka. The American say someone on no come your friend fire. You can someone who answer. Now, what Joey must say, and you with Jar, and the palm your feet beginning on nothing, and you with Jar. For pin down, or to be free assassination. It was.
Jafo, what does hear you? If you say your friend is saying, Pachetti, yeah. And your friend or suffer prophet on Heneba. Prophet on Heneba. And then maybe would do a bo who do a course of social media. Ah, a dim crofo. Or your software. Bodia. Yahusia brother Sami be bo bidia. Software. Also be bo bidia. Oiba or Heneba. Apostle in team. But that is a big question. Do you think God answers those selfish and evil prayers? And no, na near Babisha once a making. And we have a son of a panacano. MC di can bosso that. When Yankupon on nomenema. Medical from Genesis to Revelation. God and Casey will be a nipa nyame boy and su say yen suni and seswon. Nyame on Casey. Genesis chapter 3, nyame and Casey nipa. We know ya church in Jerusalem videos now betiase. Eti we know he is invoking and calling upon evil spirits. Say they should bring or for harm. Embrace Kwame Alfred. Or your suffer. Nanke the enemy and ko suffer the we jina Christo anaimu. Sure be obibia o de che. Boniface. Penny forces all the body china for che. And penny for crowd. Nanko be o jina ya anaimu. No be ya de na show. Ka ukure na ude Christo su e de chere. Na so na suffer e bodua no e dangerous. Omu ya wudi for crowd chain. A conforming fetish priest, they are wicked. Now, dear me, yeah, so he said, because I don't know, see any free flow. A jabby before the yen can't groaning and maufia, or see a groaning yet. And you also for be great to me, sorry them, a peer free, sorry them, dim cosia, and oil, equa chiffon, a bow bidding our church member. What to offering, I must offer the deep pain, it to me, Cassidy Pacrono. Eh? My main can't be answered about the next step. Me pachopi. So you'll be a winny sheen now, ya gagaya, tobo. If we are saying now, Saqua. Send your ultimate tears as this one, and me mono. Bibi crem. Pennyfoss said, what she and there was surrender ma, Nessa Bibi crem. There are things out there, serious. Now, especially so be bold, yeah. Meaning, men for no quack, and quiet gaga, a dangerous. And indeed, I'm a person who say, refrain from a diabo. The pachopi. Me a minimum crofo me ni omu si so. Ni esusa. You call Ghana recently. Me be say nipa yase a. Yes we wawu. Ah, onya 40 years kura. Em say that am 35. Tim wawu adan ya. Yes wo ba bi ho en wo ba ni bone dua. Na pictures omu yidi kira wo no. Na wo hwe de nipa ne ye oda ho a. Wawu just like that. Hey. Uzi bibia ni wiase. Ke dan ke ntopunu. There is something out there. You know, we must be careful. We are mechanism. I only can't say more near Bobby Dia. Ghana for the intense. When you make reference in Uma speech, near Bilmo Sockers and way near Yerry ding ding ding, near painting a black, one could tear because the panel can once and bonny. A biddy Abram be Moshe Bay ya and what Jenny Jan in Crowley. Shade Imana there so oye on so basa. Oh, does it? Maybe to me, cancer, me nimi pa konoa. Make us obise. I don't know how to do that. Me surani pano. And I mean, can a cheese was a bond. Me bolding, no matter was him. 1 year, ya, no wakas 1 year. Why, yes, sooner we wonder how you become. Beloved, you can preach. Maybe a soft. If you listen to me in the morning now, we preach positivity for you to know yourself, stand strong for yourself. There is something more you can do. You don't need me to do something for you and why in Shira. God has parcel and packaged you for you to be a blessing. If you don't know what we come and you get knowledge and you move on. We support you with prayers and you go out there and work so that you be a blessing. Apostle Anaje is talking about financial stream. You can go and hear it and to be a blessing unto you. Apostle Anaje wan ko be kan me din. Obi be talking about finance. So we are one of the diamond team as a team. He's charging about $4,000, $5,000 for you to go and sit down there for him to teach you how to make money. Now remember $5,000. Now could teach you how to make money. But people go and pay and listen to him to teach them how to make money. Positivity is powerful, but don't rule out. Say there is nothing out there. Don't rule it out. So when you mandia, maybe some guys are going to make us be moody. We ain't talk. Because Williams is here. Mon can't say on research about other things. The law of karma. If you sow, you reap it. Who sow, ube reap. Who sow, ube reap. We know it's there, but there is something also there. I believe, please, mama, and research it. Now, if you don't believe it, that doesn't mean it's not there. You don't believe it, you don't believe it. But obi bold ya na agi what was me nji bia bo ni a what one ya kosiew na nipa krote wo no wasankwan. Ubegu don't joke with it. You will die. Me huna. But I'm telling you the truth. Because when someone consult and appease and invoke somebody to happen and there is a cause for what you've done, before now naturally I say law of karma be taking place. Now spiritual matters below because a team man is not just only soul, but man is also a spirit. That is why true worshippers worship God in truth and in spirit. So there are spiritual matters, there are soulish aspects, which is whereby we use our mind, our brain, our intelligence, our natural common sense, our wisdom to operate so that we move to another level. When it comes to other matters, common sense will not understand. How a comfort not you go these two free through the bar, It's not a matter of wisdom, it's not a matter of common sense, it's not a matter of positive energy. It's got to do with spirit and divine things. Come on. If someone say what the antwa bodia and there is a reason only bodia, would do common sense tia say ni panu ofu behye, na se betata you will die. You don't joke with it. Be positive all you want. Good. And on a level, because when I wake up in the morning as a man of God, I am positive. I preach to people to be positive. Look out there, be confident. Go out there, do the right thing, pray. Look at things for better things. Don't look down upon yourself. We teach you from the soulish perspective. But when someone is against you spiritually, Be confident in spiritual matters and no kwan yo. I believe we will come to that. Now we are rough. Now we are suffer. Now we diagro. Now do be a diagra. The pakrobe bodia you will die. Home. Christo sumro. Abeyen niema biti say anybody can stand and do anything rubbish and the person goes scot free. Christo sumro tesa. Oh, I'm telling you. I'm telling you the truth, and we will come to it. We will come to it. And you know, we will come to it. Mamimbo, Eduabo tapes are in fact, I'll come to that. Man did a boy and we yet and talk, but I'm trying to let you know, say there are other things. This is what she's doing. Getting to be positive is a very powerful thing. Nobody will discredit that. It's very good. Be positive. Don't look down upon yourself. I preach it all the time. A lot of pastors preach it all the time. There are people that inspire other inspiration groups. They talk about it all the time. But that is not just only, that is one aspect of the realms in which you have to be inspired. There are other realms. So you must look into it and find out how things operate. It happens everywhere. Whether you are red, you are blue, you are green, you are white, you are Chinese, you are Asian, you are Japanese, you are American, you are European. It works. There are, I must not tell you say it works because there are evidence around. You've seen some. So it's very critical and it's very important. Na iwia makano asem dia chiro. Now me wiama mambo ehunu no so believe when you come on and share the program, it's going to be very interesting. Very interesting. Oh, I don't like these. We okay. Let me go straight because me knew why entire the feed is doing that. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I think said this one will work better. Apostle Solomon Saki, God bless you, man of God. So, please listen to me and listen to me on a positive note. You move in more to come unnecessarily. Okay. I think Pacho, Yenti Papai, Idiabo, and I'm in the okay. We are latest into Mamenko other ones as well. We can look into it. And we are my boy no chato. A boy no chato. There be. Shock empire. That's right. And people just bear with me for 1 second. Let me see. Okay, let's watch this one. I think say too bright, me boy. Mami share na menye ni ye kakra. Mami share na menye ni ne hu ni ye. Okay. Bacho me bawo ade dia wo ya no waye ni preko na ni pa ehunu dia koso me hwe
me friend and one so nyama me friend we kufi me friend anyanta se peke si aba abontin se me ni hu bia on kumi na se me ni hu bi na ye wo me ke o ka let's nti e na afo si aba abontin e na wo bo me din e de ka e de wo kwa so a and one so nyama on kun e dia me boy obi bia we pe hie so ko da ni dia ni bia no and one so nyama e we kufi wo ye su a wo yira ka ko ni 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 nwono no wo na na se ko ma ni ni nwono no my brain ya boy nkeka because e dia me boy me ni me better se wo hye me ni me better se wo hye e dia e wo se wo de dia me bo me e fi kwafia
abusiafo asem to so de and this and we are looking into things abrochirefo ni duabo ahodo nti o say obi naked picture ye dey sense on that dia babontin oni mo hwe obi so anti we ni oni mo hwe ene ye dey ahye no se etisade a ene ono no obodua asay di pakro because ono no de onim asem no ho hwe a serious o sade a waye no men fa ni agro pacho yen hwe latest one so aba be to just we must look into it before that Mr. Krano we dey wa bogana fo ina adua o de mba be bo a kire wi tie nyum no
shock empire hey modern amagana hwana moira ho actually do pado akokonyin ayoto na oman fa fo tedam nyame do mani yidam no monyi petibam chahina guzi na so no monyi pabi peda wo be mama man na so aduaba papa ayoshe me papa se kusi ni dwe twa na kwankyere da oyahwesa waya gana fi wa horoma wa hata se akoko madanga beje ti de zuwa wosa oh maha jami mu na mekasa echirima ye ban misaya mo obra papa fatia amfa efata nkroma mi babobodua mikra mikosia aboso mu mbehia samafo so mbehia afiti kwa mkroma na bread do bepim ende obi aweti Ghana bro obi awetwa Ghana toro obi aweti Ghana nyama ende ye bre aboso mu nkunate se wewu a ne samba na mesramo hwenate antwali duate Mosho wase me fraga na so nyina safra be jan bobo aboya funa boso mesramo no mo de koko pese mo kuma ya funa na aya na musrompo selfish leaders atwa mombo wototo mo show wo de shosho ye baboto wa ba ye pe basa wa ha ye hia peace so please don't kill for power dada pi ya ta na we ta ya dia me boy ya supporter wo de na shock empire Zawa plan the word this year, Busumukun. Zada Dahen, Aji Power Busumukun. A Koshi campaign message, which I lie Mukun. Evil do when you papa Nabosum Mr. Mukun. Ano other gate, Gradati pay, Gana Busumire, Mutu Wamre, Martina Yabre, Mukuduri, Bodiana Namabusum Koshan Wakabi. Wicked leaders, Wama and the graduates were doing ye. That officer Robagana, Burmukun, Obi already Ghana Sika secrets, Nanamukun. Ota Oyenteman, Ayamuntun. Leader of Cabro Chakos and Hoyal, Ayamukun. I say, Yasu Pretty. Sikawe busili oh amagana no bane den what a pity me hu de gweti fo no pi na ye wicked mo say Ghana de bia mo suppress city da me pa chan de yo da me pa kan de obiara oda Ghana man no obiara oda oman no kodo a onyim wo de tirim de azole en olobo oman no fo biara aboso mo yin nti se ko hye na nsan next time maba mo so modo mabra mo hye na won say no mon say What say, man, at the man wouldn't come on say one. If I 1 hour, my mama, your home, but my H. bread, on say 8 p.m. Good time.
Michelle, some movie muti sasimuya. Ghana from 24 Samine is aqua, Uncle Danny Diabono. I'm telling you, it was serious. And Ghana from 24 Efrea kwa we say Diana Wabono. Or messing corner Uncle Danny Diabono because it was dangerous. Beloved, why? Especially nya yeti abruchire die any diaba odo and all because of say nyema bia akoso na ebigusu a ekoso no ana eye yebu binu mo ya enti when it happens like that near take his stand na me bo we na wia na makase ma chewo enti ba choti ye pa latest one papa bi on so wabo ni yiridua Pacho TV.
alias Shark. Una fan for you know. Na me makacho and so person say stay on no one na we. Nana me the name of me the Frankie mama. Antoine man. Ghana in so nyina. Kwaku free. Obia mo Ghana mo to me a mo ti bi try nyoma. Me the mo mama. Me Constance. Oba ma ye ne ho ade. Ama ware na ye engagement time no wedding. Frank ese onene ne beda. Nana no osi onene ndada. So onene ndada munini ndi. So often onene so beda. Emre bi onene beda no. Muma ade kesie nsi no. Nana no me man 6 months. 6 months pepe. Monte ne mare. Se mi amindani na. Nana no me man ndani. Umfa to me sorry. And to me sorry. Lady Frank, Kwaku from Paul, Esha Wonsa. Muntin the mommy within 6 months. Woman in bread, ombre pa, a bread in ombre sawa. Nemo a point pie, bet me a 7 medal and a seminary in the air. Frank Kwaku from Paul, within 6 months, no, Munimindi. Maybe Constance, I will need that. And also in the bedano. 7 in the Bema, El Huno. 1 year, Yarian Fina, who she said, I didn't recall. And I know Midamas. Medical Sway, and she from. And me, the Cosway for man. As some Nibiano. Monty Frank, Kwaku from Pond, alias Shark, and Mammy.
Ebujafo. We will be social media saying anything. Apostle Brobe, Apostle Samuel Brobe, God bless you, my brother Yamisha. Would we be social media saying anything? Ebujafo, Mama yen go into these things. A dear many pabudia, a pain, a yaudi, a young quasia boo, and a many pabudia. Then try to so we know, yeah. What I've come to realize as Osofo say, and Penfoka say, would one no dog rea, a beam wall, old one no old dog rea, a beam wall. A dear, and you be also miss Adio ya big da. There is a saying, say never say never. A dear count, Emma will bufu, you know. Sandy and Bettina count, Emma the second will be. To be careful. Unko to so be near where air da. Now will be two and a mobia. Be careful of what you say. Say, obi mu kwasia penya. Be careful of what you say, unless you have an experience in it. Because a basa o lecture, ubetima lecture yen pa, but a ban ye mua and kauni be different. People do these things. They make examples upon examples. Mia minim se nipa boni pedia. They are dead because of issues, because of nkwasiabu, because of the obifis obi any teacher obi ntino. Nipa na yesi o njan fa menyame o nya maneka. Obeyi wo nkwa afiri ho. Ne ban sa bewu ana an obewu. Bible say a curse without cause shall never stand. When the curse has a cause, it will stand. So be careful. Hey, one samu tomwa, mukon sorry fear. Ube wato, and I may be shocked with information. Obi, why you will be a dear? Maybe we are not a child. What of will be here? What could you be kun? And the pacro, some power ye. No be bow dear. Dear bonds for the bower, massa. Would you call sorry fear? O Dania and Dane. Baby, you are sorry fee all the time. Ne we are not quiet say, and there's so for no need to me and I there's so for no need power na or so for you do any powerful crowd. You didn't pan bread when to me and your way. And you was suffering and you're powerful because you don't understand principles and protocols. Inti tiye pa. Se nipa no wa amfa boni na anchew. No tu sa na mo no. There are processes of going through it. Number 1, near was a way and say, send nipa na wa ye ne boni no. Obekọ na beka akere say, my young from so fami boni chemi ampa mafa wukum mafa wo yere me bu sa akwase awe eti manu me ho me ba besere boni fache me one to sa na mo no so me de me ko prayer camp me ko hu osofo so and so no ma me direction. My brother, you will die. My sister, you will die. You will suffer because there are bases of everything. You see, and the minimum Christianity ni ya nchire mu yie o. Who beji Christo dia and no nchire say you have the license. We are in grace, so we can do whatever we like. No, it be bredis and fun in the name of God. We are no according to the no asere rade ho body fache say ne be ya bonni sunsun sanso ne ma no so me nua be ma bonni de rade be chawo na every sin has a consequences. The consequences ne de me nua be face unless you go through, because bonni ayeye no ye bonni tie nipa na ye bonni tie nyankopon. Abra prodigal son onun ho na wose wadi nsem ensem fata into okona agya fie no wose me kwa meka kire magya se maya wo bone maya osoro bone eti ye bone tie nipa ka wo mpa nipa chew ene ye bone su tie nyankopon eti bone bi wo ho a nyame de be chew na nipa mfa nchew na wo so ye wadwene se ensisaya ye de ato no o mfa sa ansisaya ne so na be fa wo quick fist wo be kwa me hwehwe oil agu ho a wo be wu ntitienie pa adia se we obi ade na asem ayi nipa ne ya anka the best thing is say nipa kono de wonfum so be chew na so nanu nipa bebre ye nam ye wasori fie we are dying young ye wu rough es enyema obrani amane ni atete because asori dem wo yete no bone any ade ye nua ye yankwa ne di nipa kro utwa ntro na de ato obi so okeka obi hu nsem abusuafo de wo ye no eda wanim nipa ne ka bibi kirawa emfa ho ne tonso a wo etu ebenyaw. Be careful. You see, these are principles. And until Yesu catcher or ban say, Bonne dia be dia chow. Ko nyan koye bio, ni dia sucha say am also. It ya one never be one out koya, and was soon so about swa, obe bre. Ube transfer the fear, ye sabe guso, abotons a guso, one she dia bonne becum. It don't hide behind gifts. And my question is also for you. Sister Bra, nebra me humi. May you say you are born a so you will lie bad. Especially, so o parent bold ya. O parent bio mano can some found one. Nanyan some papa. Masa men yaka cabin some. Bible say, the wager ni uneni na wo unkwanda our tears as is a wama, which means o parent make ma shorten unkwanda. Mamu ye fancy me ni agro. Parenting enya sem ketwa. Parenting enya sem ketwa. What da ma me yam busu me nkunu wu ya waboni beyi. Ha! Me ni aba. He? Me yam oil no. Ye fan free so ne fan wutri so unye ye da unless you reconcile. Eti one was so for a bump for beyi. They should be very careful. Now cause such places so be careful. They work with the devil. Parental cases. You're careful. Because adiena nipano why there is a reason and there is a cause. Papa dia oboye. Wa friends you ahodo ye wo tumi was asasi so these are things that it happens. Amanda says natural principles versus natural consequences. Amanda, these are not natural. Udia ubeka. U type in positive energy, ubenya positive. U type in negative energy, ubenya negative. But so we will be bonny. Now was one tinasi a natural cause and take effect. I was swap. Now obeko kwa dying, obeko kwa appeali to me fancy obi ayo bonny. na de asem no court na ko dan Supreme Court sie medi wo asem am abusua enya easy se nipa kro de wo dan Supreme Court of the Rivers ni ekodi wo asem a minua ni e pass judgment a na wudi fo a na de nipa ne kan se mra wo so no a ebeba wo so afetie ni e pa wo a wo so ko bo nipa kro dua no so gina yie sa papa ya wabo dua yi ya mani dua ontimi nkofa obi yere ontimi nchiti se papa nsu fi se ne yere na aye sa etu okobo ne yere ne nko ne dua no abo ebenya no but wo so boss e dua hey masa these are things we should teach for the church to understand so when you tusa na mo no a also do want to how kesiem because also ntimi nchiti wo hu yen so obi bebo dua o wo di okobo dua na ankasa wo obi anya wo hwe wo na okobo dua eti se wo ko tusa amanamo ni bia wo so na bam ebeba wo so straight away because ono akọ fresh ade na ba fi ho ensuo no tene ba bi no meka wo na wo so wo di yawo eti no you need ensuo ni services una adu obi akodan debt collectors ene ya twuro nipa kro masa sa debt collectors for we die would ko dan wono mu a omu ntwa asem so wonya ye adwuma ne ma wie na wo so ko tobi mu a wo de beba wo so wan hwe ye medidi mako obusuo mu yina beloved these are serious matters and until me say metu obi afo say eduabo mobi because oba wan ye careful ebeba wo so the reason being is say me believe say yes and ya but nobody on this earth has the right to take anybody's life. Obi ani ho kwan say what asase no obeji obi nkwa free himself. Nobody. Now sometimes they are out of pain, anger, and many paya de. E to de ni paya wa de etimi hwa wo krema. Ba so wotina se. Ndi na penifo so gufu afa so gu anum. Wotina se na homi asem so. Edi na anu nansa na wotwe a ube sa pressure na beda also for first time na abafom me pacho pi enye sa anamo bia betuo no ebekwa koye o house aba beda wo so etino se me ka ko deeper obi ho oye sofo ye wo sofo bebre we know se eduabo kum binom me kan ya grow enye so wonye sofo anase nyame mfre no nyame afre no but there are natural things be nyame dia to in place misbehave obi betima sel osofo wakoji obi yere osofo wako zan obi aginisika nyame nka ahwe osi yakopon se odi agina so e de agini panisem sika ebu ni yaya woni ate ha osemle ni mu fifire ebre ohuni de wonye wuso be bua no won kratase mu muti de mekan ase aburuchirefo na wo bua ni pai afei no ebedru baabi no na nipa ne niam abedi wo kakraja ne nsa be kona no a wote de mekan ase meboa aha ye social media ntino ye nim de wo se kan yensem abetomu na fama no hey enne wotena afei de wo ye pe wuso be chai twakoti e de amasa nipa masa skadi de obedi o na nso anye careful nipa no pesa wo fia obefe ye careful men fa o British passport nko ya keka bi se ehunahuna nipa no ne ye wo niam wo wiase ntidi asempa o fa de ne mana ntama no o de ma no so a wo ye papa no ko si awiye men fa so mu nipa no kwasea na sa ni suo we ye so fom no o kan sem to so a masa don't joke with it ye wu rough off ene ye hunu the cause edua bobebrebe eni nkwase bobebrebe abagana for yimuno and I resolve in these things and then 40 pound 35 pound she no na komate wawu you go campus way no beloved these are the things happening because and your boni ni pedie no and they hide say oh and the Christo aba the Christo for there hey we betima do pe bia beloved minim san chire ne ba bi afiri o untimi ye de wo pe o oh ene ma mentu mu na menchire wo Bible say se wo bo Yakopon chen na wa fom no a wo se wo offering o tithe wa ye de a wo de ba no jan wo ho go home and reconcile with your brother not on God go and reconcile with your brother Go and reconcile with your brother. Ko na wunua no a waye na de na nini nkobom ansa na wo gift number. Etu Nyankopon pese o kire se ye ye ade ema ye nipa ya, until we should go and settle with nipa no Nyankopon. Eti se wunya akukuduro na wukọ se ma ya ade enye nsem fata. Eti menua maba fa ade ne fa cheme. Wunya akukuduro kosa no a ne nipa ne bia na so de achewa wanya wutie didim. Se nipa no kọ no so amfa nchew. I repeat, also amfa nchew a number 1. Bible say unkwa uko no amfa nchew a pe na adansefo mienu ni miensa ni wachi. Ukọ wose won pene da dua na wa born ubewu. Okay? Wose kọ wasafo panyinim. Ne fa ne kọ. Na ukọ because osofo de ogina ho me Nyankopon. Eti ukọ na se wantie wa na se nipa no wantie nyame. Ukọ na se wantie wa afewa ye wa afam die. Now, spiritual principles ne say ye duabo ne ya bo ena wakopa achew ena nipa nso won pene won ye wuo no be mu wu afiri wiase a now Onyankopon authority e override sa duabo no abo no ye bom paye ma wa ho ena benya nkwaje. Mami repeat it. See ye bom paye ma wo sa level no a ho ena benya nkwaje ho ena onyame de be chew no onyame yi wa free sa tumi na se adentra efiri se wutu anamon ko nipa no ho ni ye onyame pesa wo ye no oye okọ ye no nipa no de so won pene o so won fan chew ena Onyankopon no ebegina ni tumi so se sanse wotu anamo so wutu enti no oni Nyankopon de oje ebejew odiase because that nipa kro no we free nyamesum. Senior Caroline Cannon, you must treat that person as a pagan, as will be on fan from Swanche. And what any a bomb payemu a bay juma. And Kwasa with them kukum, and Cassia Simasi, Mako creative confusion, and the atono so, what did the naked picture about Bontani, what the good when he was will be gem, what would Dinu Kunechi, Irechi, what could din some funwe, who we are, what could soup, a walk quum, a bunko to get, a pajama sacco so, say Ravni Uncle Ponfa Bonichow, a young Sabon and Media Chow. Nemum said the other dependable when they were in free hole. Because any day wouldn't ni panentem. And you wouldn't ni pantem Yankopon. So what you need to do is say you when you say go and reconcile no. And you're born in what could you pay out with San Conabina fan with you. You must go and reconcile. When you're too Gideana on our independent viewer, that is where you come back. The man of God prays for you, the woman of God prays for you, the body of Christ prays for you, and you'll be delivered. And yes, sir. Na se nipa ni timosu no say odo be fa kwan born so a there is a cause and there is a reason and it will happen. There is a cause and there is a reason. It is tie me a abusuafo. These are some of the things e was here makwan. And then many apostle and AJ kasa and we are discussing these things. And he made some very interesting point about legal doors. There are doors in life. Shall put be how a beer the mawa, it is shraba. A punubi so also a beer, it comes with distractions. Now, when you will be bonia, you open the legal door for the curse to operate. Woman in a swap, if you've opened that door, now authorities are a handles are door, they should come in. Because the panel, Sabi, was this a Nipano funny here? They bear my own. Or no one walkers asem or ni power so beti maesa. And inti and what yakwa dying and conforce woman yamanon. It is therefore no people, if you are hearing me, will be doors legally because he has the right legally and will be a sadon. And they must have spiritual authorities, spiritual evil entities say they should operate. Et you know, and yet, so we are Christian, you can live your life anyhow. Or there is grace. There is sufficient. It be nebinu say asori ba ye you know bonia dosun there be bonia dosun tin ni person win times ano because bonia ketua ni owu. Oh yes, bonia dosun na ye nsuro ni ye respect ni ye mbua die tino ena man de wu adosun. Because Christosum is not a license to sin and to cause harm and to treat people anyhow. It has never been. No. etino se we ye wo bia de na ye ne ya nyame honhom ti mu and ti mu one ko reconcile and ko seek forgiveness ne nipa ne ye obibia it will happen ebeto he yeni masofo bi a ya bo mu dua nya wo no mu. Oh, and I am a man of God, I am this. Beloved, be careful. Be careful. Obi ho ye obi ade as ye na shin wadada obi aginisika was for sorry we enye ye da. Hey, for I'm telling you. Hey, opa, when you above for cranko ya sore no. Nyankopon breaking the word asore na enye yi. Don't joke with these things. Enye yi. Etini nipa no bi ho a ya sore na ye nothing because I know a dear chere no enya no papa because there is always a cause for these things. Eti no binim also a omo ama kogege powers. Eti duabo na wabono no ono wakọ bene ne ho and we sacrifices and it has 8 coins, beloved. We see nothing last and lasting. Wakọ bene ho ntino wakọ dan me fa say antoa also another occultic level power in the power now do hako join as to chain and twade and twade neighbor that power to protect you, beloved. It will never last. The peaceful way is for you to make sure say on offending obi na intentionally on say nipa. Be careful. O per se on kwan na wasas is we enjoy ya. Treat humans as humans. Bunipa enye nipa basa hey, obema utifie wakofa wo yere Afrigana ba. It therefore no ufi se wato no wonye u slave wo beti wato ne sei okoye ne wade age wo sei adam be talk about our sem no ubu be fu me pa wo ko ties ka sei na wo school fees kra age wo sei na akoye se mako 2-3 nsa enti no we media or your property da ben or your property da ben uko toni fini hwan ho e wo se ye kire bride price no ye kire wase na wo te ase na mse wo kra wo nte ase unko to obi a etu ni control e wo obi aso a mutual agreement. You have no control over anybody. God onyakopon fa unyina da bia se control. Mutual agreement. What's your obey near a cansem basa the fan all in the name of say would you free Ghana buy enjoy your property. Bema will be wintem. You're careful. You see, these are some of the things I was see a chero na uhunu obi amu but the say you catch say ukoyesa ade we ya ubetimanya ace would this annual we ya a likely possible so betimanya cancer it refrain would 40 years kwa susu we meet bebrebe a ube o cancer cells betima ko so betimanya. They teach you these things ain't no ema wo ye ahweye emwani da ho unni oil unni nchene unni sane manema no you ya kire wonto ahunu saa so na obanya mimu a these things na say kire na ye careful na niema bi wo amfa ho ankohyehyem. This is what you need to hear. Nama onkwana enwa wasasi so. Etimandika ka say parental cursing is dangerous. It was say careful. Na also ukobodua no. Hey. You must have a clean hands. Clean hands. It will now kuboni pa krodua no. Say nipa no wadidi watem. Nipa no waye wade ama ye wo ya. Wa wro ho naked. Udu ko sua bofom de sina pagu fom. Wa twu tu ase udi aboni dua. Basis na udi boni dua no. Ene me ma kose. Wo so no man ye bida konkonsa eni bida. Eno na ko boni dua. Se wo ko fa obi enko fa obi a. These are the principles, spiritual principles enko fa obi. Because unu wako boss adua no. Uko di obi unkonkonsa. Udua na wabon e be sa tanya ba wa house. Because you are guilty of what you've killed someone about. You are guilty of you two killing somebody about the same thing. Men kasi one na dia yaw. Etu de odi obi a you are free. Yes, ana humuni amatie. You won't go scot free. Beloved, that is why I said in about 2 weeks ago, last week said, be careful with curses. It's the Bible said, do not curse me mobidia. It's dangerous. A mobidia. Beloved, you can imagine. So sika ya brain ya enokre. The things that the people go through to get money is very painful. It's extremely painful. Now bunipa kwasia slow yimu na de nipa fa kwasia buo kwan so a abusuafo. Ne nipa ne ye obribia ebenya. Nanso wona ya bu kwasia no me pachopi. Don't listen and look at the pain because nipa nkwa enya wona ade maye sika bie ni obetima to nipa nkwa. Sika bie ntimi to nipa nkwa. It at the end of the day no ewom say ya pa na so say ko to nua no se woda ho wa fon ne fu ahye ne nase atatai obre I'm telling you wakoma din se bo kora se de ekra no a you have sympathy wa uti ba bi be ka kire say we dia wudisem you won't go scot free do why ade ama ye o ya do what tua ne ka was akwan no se na busuafo and so kwan is another subject for another day. Obiani ho kwan so obeji obi kra free ni nsem etise wo ukobo obi dua ne nipa no wu why ade aboye nsem ma na wusu ogu animu ase e wo bedwam obeka ho ho asem ni ade be careful because near wo ye no a wa ye no dachi e go scot free because enkwanya wo dia oba obi platform so ene social media Semetiai, no abetro Jimmy, Kikankwasi asem. Hey, Abusia, you don't know me. Met me platform so me meka what be ye me and go free. You have given me a cause, a reason to do whatever I want to do. And to be careful. Be careful. Oko no obi kontokwa and to kwa no ntiase. Ya ise mole toskes. And I would dear chile. Now we'll fight it. On tim to kwanase. Pakona idi. Ti me meka wasem a bebo din na makasa. On kan ya menka. Ade no so mi new atem. Me critique dia waye no. Na ma kire se dia waye ne nyanya nsasem. It's as simple as that. Akọ ye nipa kro, foolish man, stupid girl, prostitute. Nanka visa woko. Aka prostitute no ano bade how dey ko nyeza. Die nipa ye wo sumu no you have no idea. Dia bon say we do on the Facebook no afam my Facebook so you have given the person a reason. Etin am penifo to a dia sempa. Oye Christo no kire say you can behave anyhow. Oh, the blood of Jesus speaks. The blood speaks. It yes moja beka sama. It do akodi boni. Oh yes moja. Me yes moja ho me ho. Eh, and ne kwese dey mabanya me fie. Hey, me di me hu wura yes moja nim. Spiritual bathing. Me di me hu wura me hu fie boni bia. Hey. Ah. What we? Udu hu nu mu na nu nim di obe next time. Beloved, be careful. Be careful. Kwasi abuo eni atete eni mani patrisa na mon because say undu sa level no ahun ena bidi kan no me papa yi mama sim be condemn no na mu beka say ade na oye no there were so many options and we choose this option a miss of what minim option and can me choose because me ko to so obi ni me yire da hopen obi betimi attend back on kasa no oko. Oh, papa dia wan kahwe wu. Unim di okoyeye. Obi su straight away. One shot the kind of bow dia bo timakum. Bila people react instantly on so many things. Eti me na me nya quick metra ha e me kan kire wo say ade na di pana ye no nanke ni kwan so wo yesa nanke de ni kwan se di pa ye di bebre na de ye so na do so that instant menua se wo nya me anso wakoma mu a ha se wakwakoye adwuma wa fam wa bre uni nkrata no watiti unse more 10,000 pounds wo di ama kwabrane so this can just like that uwia see na shata 5 years of abeta buruchire na bo uwia di pakoso sai go fa me twakoti ama menua wo nye careful wo be criticize na de nipa ne ye ni be condemn wo enye but sometimes ye wo ke bi kura nka be worse things because ade can will be reacting and can until you don't know it. All we need to do on this year right now, we should be careful, treat people fairly. Men try say wadwene kese chen obi awo. Men try say wo big brain chen obi a. Ye wasofo bebre wo ho a. Omo nam kwan bone so. Dito. Apa life. Apreku my daughter. Bebre Joshua J nom. Boat nom. Ehunta nom. Beloved, look at them. Kwasho ma wie ye. Go. Kwasho ma wie ye. Omo wuyo. Kwasho ma setenemu. Hey, fa hu nie o. Oh, David. Man, you say we are too clever. And you say we are too smart. And you say we are sharp brain chain will be. You may have a sharp brain more than anybody, but the things people do, no, you can't run away from it. What do you mean you're in No, you can't. It is so tiemia. We are software. Yes, of human you. So when you're mere frewa, ye. You are not above anybody when you offend people. Nasa sorry me so mutia wosoka. Omutia wosoka. So waji obisika pass o man akwankyere. Waji scan the free Joshua J ba kroma. Wabeji oba bisika more than 3,000 pounds. Akwankyere ba ko pa dey. Akwankyere ba ko pe over 3,000 pounds. Na okoya de wo ka kyere no anya adwuma o. Obaya asembisa obi jan say na ma me pacho buttons o si da bi o si anya ntina kwankyere na anya adwuma o buttons ka buttons dia anka ya adwuma what fa na da kwaso agini sika di free ba ko so agini sika di ye o wie ye ma me ka kyerɛ sɛ ye fa sɛ papa o se onkoto ala te semina no on fa nsu onyare no wa agini sika 1,500 pounds wa jedi ena papa no so no wote aburuchire ne oyare ne wonto no wakoya kwanchire ene waye ade na anye yi osofo ebanse a akwanchire na anye yi was oh papa sa na nsuo na meka kire se fire akwanchire no eye nsuo hie anase nsuo nyuru na de was osofo dia se na aka kire mi meti aburuchire November December winter mu when the day nsuo nyuru dare aburuchire eye nsuo hie na me dare was senti na akwanchire na anye adwuma na nko so di nsuo nyuru dare kire se wo bu nipa na kwasea agye sika wi and also a person man look very foolish minua and found so for dia wudi once you have done this se nipa no e kan sem bi to so a e be ya adwuma. Oh pastor, say we have an anointing to override. We now this abrofo ne beba o. So we know we have the authority, the power. We can command things and that are not as though they were. And God has given us extra privilege. You cannot touch my anointed one. Who they preach is a preaching. Never born Musa for hene. Netana. Touch not my anointed one. One of the way and I'll touch in his hand. Who you are at liberty to touch anyhow. And you think you have superior power. Touch. People, be careful. Say nya many ene nam no na akwan e straightforward or they are to amount so be fast and akwan so you can't just walk anyhow. It's in wa ubodua. You're careful. I'm telling you, obekasi ye kan, you will never go scot free because life, the giver of one is God, and you have illegally those say the pana ya ade no what open doors no. Yet you have no right to take any life. Near tears as is so so we take life be we take it will be life every in somewhere. If we as for quite so it become our capital punishment. They kill you, die. It be some life imprisonment. Ye nipa class who right. The Yakupon or boy person in Sudan in Saswo. Nini Panaya what dear was what genuine quan every in some nana de mano. Or some of Benjamin overriding over you. Oh, yes, Father, we stand in the name of Yeshua, and by the power and the authority given to us, we override every curses. Minia, for our non brofone for twinching. Beloved, are you with me? So this is what we are talking about. You are not overriding anything, and it's about time one. You have to be careful. It's true. Life is not yours. Don't you? These are things go scot-free. Number 2. Hey, mu treat your parents anyhow. Treat your parents anyhow. Be careful. Be careful. Mame. I wish people will more educate me. Mame ya before. And God chose that womb. And ya wo bano no e before that. And when Yankopon choose say womb no. And na wo ne wo ho and na wo pie free mu bae. Or in the before that. Wa ma breast milk. One nom. Wa ye aduane wadi. Meboa wa dware wo. Wa ton ho niam de wa ko school. Ni na wa ye before. Wa sign so abo ho ka de wa beto school. Utu kwankra yemu binu wo ho a abaifo kure ya bom yi no e na aboa wo e na wo de atu kwan ba bedu aburuchiri enne e na wo so akosia wo difo bi a unhia ne su before party adam be say me use say we dey ma enu look as if say unhia ni paneda wa be sia wo difo aba hey sister asem no ka say brew akwa ba buru asunsun mu sisi ai mitidi bi adwoa e ye hwan adwoa can be anybody o say adwoa me mama nipa no be wo pa wo say ene me mama ya adwoa was me dia me nka wo abo bi be ka wa na ofiri ntuma o kan ye ben akan wie na fei wo frase e fa wo mama ho adwene e wo tim o ma no waja umfre ni bio media me kase onye baifo me kase wo ye baifo ampa me nka de onye baifo de wo ye baifo ampa. But if a witch can go through this process to bring you to this level, beloved, one good thing deserves the other. One good thing deserves the other. So what for process when we na ye ni baifo am wo dru ba bia dru no ukura won kwala won ye okay ah na enne na be hu so ma me ye baifo dia and you no problem with it. I have a problem with it. Oh, ena omekun so mu nkun ntem omo nye wo e wo su enkwasi asem nkwa omo nye wo sunsun na nyini dru ba bia na omawe wo ebusia fo nse we sa adwene we da ba ne de be yi sa adwene we da ba na ga na be develop. If these concepts still sit in our brain na be asofo bi adwi no mutim sem funko and they see uko kan no buafu now no ma men kasa beloved osofo kra kese wa enye dangerous as to say o ma no papa be kan matos. I'm telling you, the first person that has spiritual authority, I repeat, spiritual authority over you is your parent and sana. Spiritual authority is your parent. Me opa wan som me opa wo som me at the end of the day no won kwanda wo nyame dia ma na sonte nemum o ma me no papa wan di o munia wo nyame aseba aka to ne se wo ankasa no e na wo shorten your life. Eti hwe nkrofo a edo mu ma me enum ye fom e wa aburuchire boys o mu ya dey because some about aburuchire look at how it ends them. Drugs we deal with other things ya wo mo se kan o ba na mbasa. Why? Because ni die bu adie bi ni ho obi struggle obey for be anywhere, but it's the way you have treated your parents. One kasa what open up to these things and it's affecting you. Be careful. Benkase hunhumu ni mani ho enye wo, but ni pa no ye before and wa show up do this level. Do be so kire me say enne no sika na de koma no e na wunye yi ana na wo ankasa no the truth of the matter ni say wo kwa wanye yi ana aye den e de na aba so ye before no wankum ni so okay wakoji woni monyam ahya ha woni monyam nyina echi wakoji na wotima ba aburuchire anya kwenye ebusuafo di asem na okay o ho kire o so ti aburu kire o ho kire na de oti sankore so onye den eti wo so agyae ma me mane because o ti aburu kire. I'm telling you pure honestly truth. Nyame yesofo ntin na cast out no bibia woni bre it at the end of the day no, honor them, respect them. One day go home, the obey say you want to do party for your parents, let them lay hands on you and bless you. Me mommy, we are the age of 8 years. Let me sakra. It's me mommy me no. Let me say. Me papa na atete and as I was growing up, and I know how this man suffered. Me to say I picture some of the things that he went through to bring us up. Papa nya 70, I decided, say I want to go and do a surprise party for him. He was surprised. Me blown the mind off. I wanted to do it for him. He said, me papa jino and he saw some and he say, oh who be that? I had the mark of the place. I did that for him. Just wanted to honor him. Ebe kosto say, nipa ye jide was assis. Oh jide. So if I'm teaching you this and I know these things, I want to also teach you to do same. Men will be creating enmity between one and your parents. No. Me mo bia be yi yes of na a d for am kekan kwase asem nya bi ni mi o. No. Me o d for me ti adwuma. Adwene na ye adwuma. Oh yes. Me jibaifo ho, ahohom ho, we pray, we cast out all the time. But yes am kwase akwan we so. Oh, make a straight away. Create enmity between mother and because upesika na agye dubo hey osof ye careful onkwa na wo twa ne san wo be wintem ene hwa asofo ye wu basa ebi ntoko wuto abusumfie. We tell you the truth. People do the right thing. Hey, when Yankopon ka kire Cain say Cain, so we in here, if you did what was right, will your offering not be accepted? It was a question. Apostle Energy, my brother, God bless you for coming. Apostle, God bless you for coming. Me baby for me SMS touch about spiritual direction and all that. But I mean taking this opportunity and saying about the so I mean talking this to you. Me say utie osofobi na wo say onyamia ma na handkerchief wo di handkerchief ni fa wonim say na wo ko interview ni e be fa wa wo ye baifo onyame nka ahwenkyere onye wo ye dadafo wo ye anyen onyame nka ahwenkyere me be challenge when enu onyame nka ahwenkyere no se bi ena mo gidie se wo maame wo ko maame mo mpa ye mu ade ewusuma wo fa wo gidie di akire wo ko ebe yi a is different. So don't bring God in your matter. Onyakopon aka kire ye say we should have faith in him God. Etu ye Christoni a enye ba bia ope ena wo du gidie se o obi se o osofo ye de ba bia obi ape no di ni gidie se eyensem fon eyensem hunu enye scripture enye gospel. Your faith must be in God, and if your faith is in God, your faith is in his word. Sane Christo aka kire yen etin Onyankopon san me twa ne ho oye God is not an altar of confusion. No me kan kire wo say afedie uko interview no onu Nyankopon favor entimi ni wachi. The countenance cannot be upon you. Into therefore nje uko du ha no ato akosoro miensa na de ba kwa fa uti so na wa wura eye jibisem enyi nyansasem ni okọ adwuma no a oso ye atheist. I repeat, oye atheist onu kra de wo se Nyankopon ohoye na bufu nyame ni ho okono wa amompaye wa anya favor wa akoto handkerchief miensa anfa ne ma nkofa ne triso odu wona adwuma no ya fa no wo a okọ ya akoto miensa ko soro no ni na ya sunya anfa wo enya nkwase asem aye enslavement ye kase de obi atonkwaso mu a that spiritual direction is an enslavement on us. I'm telling you that bonsam or skill. You see, bonsam onya kwase awo. The devil is not a fool. And the Bible says when it is a war, mawani enti sa abo, and the serpent is referred to the devil. Be careful, when someone is smart guy. Obia or ye cunning, no or scamming for no scheme be a smart guy. The devil is smart. It you want the idea, one person automatically it takes you off the presence of God. One person will be angel, one person it takes you off automatically. It takes you out from him, and you're on your own. Now you won't be doing. And that is what the devil is doing. And then when you go my oil, na red oil, you will blue oil. Blue oil is for money. Red oil is for marriage. Green oil is for finance. This oil for favor. This oil is for this. This handkerchief is for breakthrough. Beloved, you see, this is enslavement. You have been enslaved. So you are thinking, say, upe favor, you need to go in for blue oil. Upa waria, follow me, boy oil. Follow me, boy oil, a red oil, this oil, yellow oil. Nancy can say, beloved, these are stupidity. Me, o nyanko pon kantre wo so fu bi ase. Onyes akwantre no. A enslavement. They are enslaving you, putting you in a box so that you will not operate. Go out there and work. Go out there and do something. You have everything inside of you. You don't need any handkerchief to do anything. The God that you serve, that is not sitting in this. He sits in your heart. He is deep inside of you. He is within you. His tabernacle is inside of you. He said, we will come and make our abode in you. He is here. Why do you need this if he's here? Does that make sense to you? No. No akoto we are boarding. Now therefore when obi ho beda oil. No, they are funny dying punano. Obi oil man handkerchief. Some fan sheni sumi ase. Enu na bemo beda. Beloved, these are enslavement skills. When you look as if you are going to die. And yet one of the scheme, the tactics are the devil is using in this very end time to enslave you and to render you poverty. Poor. Beloved, I'm telling you something. You must run away from these things. Now what you are brochire bo brakoso ni aswala tesemena ni aswa niema bi edi frigana ni e dia brew and they are bringing you stuff where would be gare would we be go aduanim would we be say would we be beloved why we are okay so them yera baba nyano me na ajama you are cursing yourself and nyano me na ajama nobody can serve two masters. You are a liar. You see, God cannot be deceived. What a man sow, so shall he reap. You are deceiving yourself. The man of God cannot see it. Now, dear Bufu Quran say, a prophet is someone who brings judgment. A prophet, they are the wrath of Yahweh's judgment. When the prophet is there, a prophet brings you to God, closer to God. Let you know, say what from adia we are watching where you Yakupom Raso. When you person, but that is the job of the prophet. Obi ako adroso, ako bosom so, eko pe protection. Owi o ya so de panyin. Wa bet now kapa ya yendele bebe no usuniti sa. Owi ya na enkom sha saba. Hey, odi for na begina ho. When yamia bie mani sisi sister me who say o sata de fita. Obi okọ bosom so. Wakoje adro Eddie Bay and Adian, or yet then in your music was Satan fita. How? Ebushafo, how? We try how, mommy. We are then a who saw Satan fita. How? We are then a who saw Satan after the finish on Satan fita.